Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to finally open this box that I got yesterday. Ooh, like what happened to it? Oh, yeah. Sorry y'all, my allergies, like sometimes I get allergic to a lot of cats that get around, and customer came in today and good gracious, I haven't been okay since. So I'm sorry if my nose is red. I've like wiped off almost every single bit of makeup on my face, so it looks terrible. It looked like it's just, there's no helping. Sorry y'all, this is just it. Alright, so let's open this box. I can't believe I've gone a whole day and not opened this box. I wanted to do it with you guys, so I tried real hard, and I was going to film it last night, and then I was just tired. It's been hectic at work right here lately, and it is... What? Sorry y'all, somebody commented on something. It just... I thought I'd put it on vibrate for everything else. Oh my gosh. My nose just itches so bad. No, I'm not on anything. I'm just allergic to daggone cats. But I'm still trying to open this box, so y'all don't judge me. Still trying to open this box. Go ahead on Tarte. The box itself is cute with little lips on it, like, you know. Thumbnail. Just kidding. Maybe not. Who knows? All right. Open sesame. Like, what am I missing? What is happening? Open. What am I missing? Y'all, I think this box is like dummy proof or something. Oh, I had it upside down. Go this way. I think it is. Well, I didn't want to come off. This is gonna be like 45 minutes of just trying to open a damn box. Hello, Tartist. No, hello, Tarte. I've never ordered from this company, so I usually just buy it at, was it Sephora? No, Sephora has some things, Ulta has some things. It's really strange. But if I shake you, I'm really sorry. I'm trying not to. You're a little unstable. Oh my gosh, blooper. Okay, first item is this little kit, and it is called High Performance Naturals. We've got a mascara, we have got a bronzer, and a blush. So let's look, what are you? This is the Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. Look how pretty. Let's see what you look like. Ooh. Oh, that's subtle. Oh, but it's pretty. It has like a little gold sheen to it. That's pretty. It's good for little folks like me that are really pale, you know. Alright, and this is the Harmony Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Y'all know we're going to be testing that. Oh, look at the little tree in there. How cute. Okay. So let's do that. Ooh. Oh, okay, that's subtle too. Let's see if we can build it. Oh yeah, it builds. Okay, it's in the middle. Look at that. How pretty. Okay, that'll be in my little blush test thing. What am I doing? Alright, and then, look how cute. It looks like a bamboo rod, but that is the mascara. And y'all, yes, I get minis. I know that it's not like feasible. Like, you get more if you buy the whole thing, but I ain't got the money for that all the time, you know? Look at that. That's that. It's a good size. I'm not going to put it on my eye, but I was just trying to see. It's kind of bulky for the bottom lash, but we're going to try it out and see. Alright. So, that is this one. Let's put it back in this container so I don't mess anything up, because y'all know my clumsy self. What will happen? Alright, ooh, what else is in here? Ooh, I forgot I got my shape tape. It's a shape tape and a little mini blender. Yep, and I got the, what shade did I get? I don't remember what shade I got. got the shade Light Natural. Because the one I have now is, oh my gosh, how cute is this? Hold up. Hold up. It's a kit. And it has a little flamingo on it. That's gonna get so annoying, but it's so cute right now. Oh, look. You can actually take it off, so it's not so annoying. Good job, Tarte. I like it though. I might put it on my keyring. But anyway, so. Oh yeah. See what shade you are. Yeah. It's a really pretty color. It's really good for me now when I'm self-tanning. So at least I'll look like, you know, kind of matching. I'm not like all bright-eyed and bushy-tailed right here. Look at this cute teensy little thing. This will be so cute to do my little under eyes with, you know, because it is for concealer. I'm all about a kit. I don't know what it is. I love little blasted kit things. I love it. Anyway, so there's that. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Shape Tape Foundation. Yup. I did it. I finally, and this is full size. Shape Tape Foundation. Matte foundation at that. In the shade Light Sand. Let's see if you look good. Oh yeah, that'll work good. Got that. See if I can get a good. My hands don't twist that way, y'all. Look. Oh, yep. That's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So look out for a video for my Tarte stuff. I'm gonna do it up and do it all. And look at this thing. I forgot I got that. So this is a kit. This is the Tarte skincare kit. Now I have used the Rainforest of the Sea setting spray and I loved it. It's really finely, it's a fine mist. So I really, really loved that. Get this box open to you. I'm terrible with these boxes. Put that down. Like a kid at Christmas. Okay. So, last time that I got this, it came in an Ipsy container. This one's a little bit bigger, but it's not as big as they come. But that is, oh, it's so finely milled. I mean, finely milled, like a daggone setting powder. It's a fine mist. And it smells like lemons. Like I love a citrus flavor, citrus smell. What is this thing? This is Tight and Bright Clay Multi-Mask. I will be using this. For you oily girls out there just like me, clay masks are really good at just soaking up those oils out of your face. The ingredients in it are usually, I don't know if I can see it up here and I could pinpoint some out. Of course it's in like a different language. Tight and Bright. Okay, water. Oh, second ingredient, kaolin. That is like one of the top ingredients to soak up the oil and sebum in your face. Butane glycol. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff in there. Let's see, avocado oil. Oh, that's a good oil. Yeah, so this is going to be great for oily girls. Just saying. All right, next we have the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. Okay, so this is a serum, but it can also double as a primer. Oh yeah. So it's great under makeup and it leaves a little tiny tack, kind of like the base tape. Let me get that, hold on. Don't go anywhere. It's kind of like the base tape with Tarte. See if you can focus. Yeah, and it's kind of tacky too. And actually these are this is a full size, but this is like a medium size. So this one usually comes this big too. Alright, let's see. I got one more product. It is Maracuja Sea Brightener. Okay. So it's like vitamin C, Maracuja oil. It's good stuff. Again, good for oily girls. Oily girl, even if you do have oils, you still need oil. Oil likes oil. Oil cleanses oil. Oil can be good if used correctly. Anyway, so, and this is just all little stuff that I have learned along the way. This past year, I've been really into skincare. So, if you have questions, leave them in the bottom. But anyway, so that's my unboxing from Tarte. What does it say? Why choose between beauty that works and beauty that's healthy? Rethink natural. Go ahead on, Tarte. So, anyway, thanks y'all for hanging out with me. Sorry I look like pure tea dog turd. And, come hang out with me later. I'm going to be doing a video of all of my Tarte products. I'll probably be doing a skincare one, and I'll probably do a makeup one. So, stay tuned. And if you like this stuff, please hit subscribe, help a girl out. Leave me some comments. I'll be glad to do any kind of videos y'all want to see. And just remember, please be kind. Talk to you later. Bye.